Are you tired of feeling like you're leaving money on the table every time you shop online? Like you find the perfect thing, maybe it's that new laptop you've been eyeing or those trendy sneakers, and you click buy now, only to realize later you could have paid less. It's a heartbreaker, isn't it? Imagine this. Arnav just snagged a brand new laptop, a shiny, powerful machine. Now that's a hefty price tag, right? And I bet he scoured the internet for promo codes and compared prices, trying to snag the best deal. That's what we all do, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a secret trick to getting even more money back on your purchases, even after you've taken advantage of all those discounts and offers? Rupee Karo, your personal shopping sidekick. We partner with your favorite online stores, think Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, to put some cash back in your pocket. Let's say your bestie just snagged a pair of those trendy sneakers they've been eyeing. They used Rupee Karo's cashback link and boom, 500 rupees directly back into their wallet. That's like finding free money, right? And guess what? It's super easy. Head to rupeecar.com, click on the cashback link for the store you want to shop at, browse their site as usual, and complete your purchase. Then just share your order confirmation with us. Voila! Cashback in your account, ready to spend on something else awesome. Don't just take my word for it. Shoppers like Arnav already snagged an incredible 400 rupees back on a new laptop, and Sam walked away with 350 rupees for grabbing a study table. It all starts with a few clicks and a little Rupee Karo magic. Ready to join the cashback revolution? Head to rupeekaro.com today. Start shopping smarter, not harder, and watch those savings pile up. So, what do you think?